Hey there, friends. It's Melina. I am live right now on Facebook and Instagram. This is so weird. It's like, where do I look? Oh my goodness. Jason's got my lighting set up. I feel like I just need to be transparent and tell y'all that I'm using lighting. So if you're like, ooh, she's so glowy, it's my professional lighting. So I got a box of goodies from Pink Zebra on Monday, and I have been pretty much sworn to secrecy since then. I haven't been able to show it to anyone. They wanted to wait until every single incentive trip earner got their box before they let us show the world what we got. And in true Melina fashion, I decided I needed to do a live video to show you guys what's in my Ireland goodie box. So if you're watching this and you didn't know, hey, I'm going to Ireland. I leave next Saturday, the 4th. Jason and I are going to Shannon, Ireland. We're going to be staying at the Adare Manor. If you haven't heard of it, go check it out. Go YouTube it. It's gorgeous. It's a castle, and I'm so excited, and we're going to get to see so much stuff. While we are there, we're going to take a train to Dublin, and we're also going to do a really fun excursion to see the cliffs of Moher, which I think is how you pronounce it. So yes, Jason gave me a thumbs up on Instagram. Thanks, babe. You definitely, if you're not following Jason on Instagram, you need to follow him, J Dixon Photography. So we're going to take a ton of pictures while we're in Ireland, and some video too. And we won't be necessarily posting it all on Instagram all at once. You guys are not going to get to live vicariously through us like in real time, but a lot of awesome pictures will show up on Instagram. And if you're just a lover of photography anyways, follow him, because we've had some pretty cool adventures the last, I don't know, 8 or so years. I'm trying to think how long he's really kind of been into photography. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this box opened. So this is what was delivered. It's big, right? I'm trying not to show my address, you know, on the worldwide internet. So if you saw my picture on Facebook, you saw a pink inside to the box, and it says, congratulations, you earned it. Yes, I earned it. And there's also a really cool like Pink Zebra paper that they kind of wrap everything in. But let's get down to what's inside. And this is kind of going to be like a little bit of a fashion show, and I'm so excited for it. So first thing, I got this sweet, oh wait, let me put it on the right way. Let's put Paisley front and center. I kind of feel like I just started, like, I don't know, like a rap group or something, or a rock group, and this is like our special hat. So I don't have it on all the way, but I'll just cover my eyebrows. I have weird feelings about that. So yes, so this is my Pink Zebra hat. I actually look pretty cool, don't I? Next, for those chilly Irish days, got this super cool scarf, and let me just show y'all the Pink Zebra logo. How pretty is that? So I'm all like bundled up, ready to go. They got us this awesome shirt. I don't know if this is mine or Jason's. Jason, what size shirt did you get? Oh, okay. I got you a 2XL. Hopefully it's not too big for you. So here's my shirt. Let me take my scarf off real quick. This is my first time trying this on, and I'm putting it on over another shirt, so that's kind of weird, but whatever. I'm in. So here I am. It says Pink Zebra Ireland 2019, and then on the back, it has some other words. Ireland, maybe. What's up, friends? I see some of my Pink Zebra friends on Facebook. So let's put my scarf back on, because, you know, it's chilly. It's chilly in Ireland, so I'm going to wrap it around my neck. Very, you know, that's very classy of me. And then, because, you know, it might rain, it might be windy, we got this really, I'm just going to say it, this really bitchin' jacket. And it has the Pink Zebra logo. It has the Adair Manor logo. I mean, y'all, if that logo doesn't tell you this place is fancy, then I don't know what will. And this is difficult to, for me to zip up. So I probably need to lose like 5 more pounds, but whatevs. I'm just going to stand up. So let me back up. I'm in my like cool jammy pants, but I'm going to get all this zipped up. And then I'll be ready for Ireland. All right, I'm in. See, a little tight in the chest area, but you guys can totally tell I've lost some weight, right? Let me just do a little twirl for you with some spirit fingers for fun. But yeah, so now I'm ready for Ireland. I'm so excited. Don't I look so cool now? But yeah, here's my box of goodies. And Jason got everything I got, so we're gonna be so cute with our matching shirts and scarves and hats, and the hat will look way cooler on him than it does on me, whatever. And then our jackets. And I think this jacket even has a hood in it, but it's not raining right now, so I'm not going to pull it out. So yeah, so these are my Ireland goodies, and I'm so excited that I got to share them with you guys. And Pink Zebra people, if you are on the trip, I'll see you next Sunday. And if you're not on the trip, Pink Zebra people, I highly encourage you to get a plan together right now. Doesn't matter, you know, that you don't know all the ins and outs of where we're going next year or how to get the points, but you got to get a plan together on how you are going to work your business August through February. Start building momentum now. That's my best advice to you. What you do today matters. The parties you're holding in May, June, and July are going to help you in those August, September, October, November, December, January, February timeframes. So I'm just saying, get to work now. Hashtag working it. So yeah, so I'm going to sign off. I'm ready. I'm ready for Ireland. I look so cute. I just can't get over it. I'm all bundled up. It better be cold. It really better be cold, or I'm going to be sad. I, have no reason to wear this hat. Oh, and I got a nice little card as well. Just saying, hey, Melina, you're cool. We can't wait to see you. But yeah, so y'all have a great night. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm still live on Instagram and Facebook. I'm hitting the buttons now. Goodbye.